And so today I want to just talk about like how do you stop procrastination? Because I'm gonna be honest with you, like, yeah, you see me do videos every day. I have all of these videos on this channel, but procrastination is still something that creeps in, and it's very easy. So that's why I'm doing this video today. Excuse me. So like today's Sunday here, like it's usually Sunday is my, like I call Sunday my sabbatical. I don't really do much. Don't usually even leave my apartment at that time these days. And I just sit and chill and just relax. Just let my mind relax. I don't even do a lot of studying on Sunday. And so for me today, like I think it's almost 6 o'clock now, almost 6 p.m. I did not want to shoot this video. I didn't want to do it. Like I was like, oh, okay, I'll wait till after this show. Oh, I'll wait till I finish cooking. Oh, I'll wait till I finish eating. Everything kept telling me like, yo, don't do it. And so it actually gave me the inspiration to make this video and talk about it. And so what most people don't get is the problem why most of us are not becoming successful or reaching our destination is because we're not stopping procrastination. We're allowing it to creep in